Assalamualaikum, dear viewers and students. Hope you will be all right by the blessings of Almighty Allah. Today, again, we will focus on my important topic, that is marketing. And in this topic, we will focus on functions of marketing and concepts of marketing. As you know, business owners everywhere recognize that if they want to make money, they have to sell their products and services. But what you might not know is that there are actually 7 basic functions of the marketing that span everywhere from distribution to pricing. Now, what are those 7 functions of the marketing? Number 1 is finding best distribution channel. Number 2 is financing an enterprise. Number 3 is deep market research. Number 4 is setting price. Number 5 is product and service management. Number 6 is promotion channels. And number 7 is marketing product to the customers. Now we will discuss these functions of the market one by one. First of all, we will discuss finding the best distribution channel. An entrepreneur have to find the best distributor channel so that he can sell product to him and he can give a better result to the owner or enterprise. He should be trustworthy to the owner, and so that he cannot be in a chaos or confusion without any trials and tests. So he has to find the best distributor who has a vast marketing span and has a vast marketing experience. Number 2 is financing an enterprise. As you know, in economics, not in commerce, there are 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital, and organization. And capital plays an important role in any organization. Unless and until you will not finance in an enterprise, the enterprise will not work. It will become a fragile. So you will have to finance it so that you will have to build the infrastructure of the enterprise by plantation, by latest devices, techniques, and other plants. Number 3 is deep market research. The third function which is in this marketing, that is deep market research. An entrepreneur must have to research the market. They will have to find what are the needs of the market, what are the needs and wants of the customers, so that those products may be available in the market as soon as possible. And number 4 is setting price. After market research, an entrepreneur or organization has to set the price of the product or service, but the price must be affordable and so that customer can buy it again and again. And number next is product and service management. Entrepreneur must take this note into consideration. He has to build a product in a decent or a qualitable product. He should not give inferior quality to the customers so that it will become a sick industry or entrepreneur. And other number 6 is that he has to promote the channels of distribution. He has to find the intermediators, he has to find the stakeholders, he has to find these wholesale distributors and other retailers so that he can communicate them and build a network and get the feedback from what is the requirement in the market as well as in the customers. And number last is that marketing product to customers. Unless and until you will not market your product to the customers will not come to know what is the latest product this produced by the organization or etc. So how they can achieve this function, how they can boost this product to the customers through the ads, through the plays, or through the TV commercials. So these were the 7 basic functions of the marketing. We will discuss the concepts of marketing. Number first concept is production concept. What is this concept? Production concept, the idea of production concept is that customer will favor that products which are affordable and available in the market. This is the old traditional concept in the marketing management that guides the sellers or extra. I will quote an example here. Just if you will survey the market, you will find that Chinese products are available in the market like a flood, from an ordinary toy to highly devised gadget. Suppose Vivo phone, which is the most advanced phone, smartphone of the China. Wherever you go, wherever you walk in any Asian country, the market is flooded with Vivo smartphones, and in Asia, in any shop, where you go, you can come out with the Vivo smartphone. That is the production concept which plays a vital or a prominent role in marketing. And number two is, that is product concept. What is product concept? This is the second concept in marketing. The product concept holds that customers will favor that product that offer the most quality, performance, and innovative features, etc. Suppose there are some companies who make the best quality of floppy disks which every person needs this time. But a person needs the storage in a data which he stores in that this card, and he can store that data through USB, through hard disks, through flash drive or USB, etc. But what the company should take into consideration, that he should go beyond this quality, so that customer, which the customer needs, so that he can fill the whole storage data in that disk rather than quality. This is the second this concept, that is product concept, and we have discussed two. Now the third concept is, that is selling concept. The selling concept holds the idea consumers will not buy enough of the firm's products unless it undertakes a large scale of the enough selling and promotion efforts. Here, the management gets focusing on creating sales transaction rather than building a long-term profitable customer relationship. For example, every day we see ads or other commercials on TV. Nobody escapes from that. Suppose Mountain Dew, you see the ad of the Mountain Dew 24 into 7. They have their own concept how to boost their product in the market. But PepsiCo has pushed it back, and they did much more better than Mountain Dew, and naturally their product is sold in the market in large scale as compared to Mountain Dew. Everybody knows that these beverages are hazardous to health. They are not good for health, because instead of this, a consumer can take a simple water which is available on the earth. But the companies, the entrepreneurs focus on 24 into 7 on ads or other commercials, so that they can drag millions of customers towards their product. And number 4 is marketing concept. What is this concept? The marketing concept holds achieving organizational goals depends on knowing the needs and wants of the customer and delivering the desired satisfactions better than competitors do. For example, if you will go to the restaurant, suppose you order any, they will put forward before you menu and you don't require any item from that menu. And you want to tell the owner that I need momos or something extra. So the owner of the restaurant has to ponder over it and he has to check what the customer wants in order to fulfill that. In the next future, he has to think over it and must do the availability of these products in his restaurants and other pubs. And number fifth concept is that is societal concept. This is the last concept of marketing. This concept holds marketing strategy should deliver value to the customers in a way that maintains or improves the customers and the society in general as a well-being. We can see Adidas doing great as they continue to support this Colin Kaepernick despite pressure from various parties. Tesla is promising a big push for green energy with electric cars and other solar roof panels. So these were the 5 concepts which we have discussed today and 7 basic functions of the marketing. This is all for today. I hope you will have enjoyed it better, and till the next lecture, wassalam, so kind of you.